In the world of design and engineering, understanding how things fit together is paramount. This is especially true in mechanical engineering, where complex machines are often made up of hundreds, if not thousands, of individual parts. Imagine trying to assemble a grandfather clock without a clear understanding of how each gear, spring, and hand interacts. It would be a daunting, if not impossible, task. This is where exploded view drawings come in. These invaluable diagrams, often found in instruction manuals and technical documents, provide a unique perspective on complex assemblies. They break down objects into their constituent components, showing how each part relates to the whole. Like a roadmap for assembly or disassembly, exploded views offer a visual language that transcends words. Think of a child's toy, a simple wooden train perhaps. An exploded view would show the engine, the carriage, the wheels, and the connecting hooks, all slightly separated and floating in space. This separation allows us to see each part clearly, understand its function, and visualize how it connects to the other parts. In essence, exploded views help us to see the forest for the trees and the trees for the forest. An exploded view drawing is a type of technical illustration that depicts an object as if it has been exploded outward from the center. Imagine a miniature explosion where the parts are gently pushed apart, but their relative positions and connections remain clear. This visual representation allows viewers to see all the components of an assembly and how they fit together. Let's take the example of a bicycle crankset, a seemingly simple mechanism that is crucial for transferring power from the pedals to the rear wheel. A traditional drawing might show the crank arms, chain rings, and bottom bracket as a single unit, making it difficult to discern the individual components. An exploded view, however, would separate these elements. We would see the crank arms extending outwards, the chain rings stacked beside them, and the bottom bracket disassembled to reveal its bearings and spindle. The exploded view would also show the bolts, nuts, and washers that hold the entire assembly together. Each part would be clearly labeled, making it easy to identify and understand its role within the system. In the design phase of any product, clarity is paramount. Engineers and designers need to communicate their ideas effectively, ensuring that everyone involved in the project is on the same page. Exploded views play a crucial role in this process, offering a number of benefits. Clarity of assembly. Exploded views provide a clear and concise way to communicate how a product is assembled. This is especially important for complex assemblies with many parts, where traditional drawings can be difficult to decipher. Interference checks. By visually separating the components, exploded views allow designers to check for potential interferences or collisions between parts. This helps to avoid costly mistakes during the prototyping and manufacturing stages. Part relationships. Exploded views clearly show the relationships between different parts, highlighting how they connect and interact with each other. This is essential for understanding the overall function of the assembly. Documentation. Exploded views serve as valuable documentation, providing a visual reference for manufacturing, assembly, and maintenance procedures. Section 4. Maintenance. From troubleshooting to reassembly. Exploded views are not just useful for designers. They are also invaluable tools for anyone involved in the maintenance and repair of mechanical systems. Whether you are a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast tackling a home repair, exploded views can simplify the process. Troubleshooting. When a machine malfunctions, an exploded view can help pinpoint the source of the problem. By seeing how the parts fit together, technicians can trace the flow of energy or materials to identify potential failure points. Disassembly, assembly. Exploded views provide step-by-step visual instructions for disassembling and reassembling complex mechanisms. This is especially helpful for tasks that require a specific order of operations. Spare part identification. When ordering replacement parts, an exploded view can be used to identify the specific component needed. This eliminates guesswork and ensures that you order the correct part. Section 5. Creating exploded views. Tools of the trade. Creating exploded views was once a time-consuming process that involved hand-drawing each component and painstakingly arranging them on the page. Today, however, powerful computer-aided design, or CAD, software has made the process significantly easier and more efficient. Popular CAD programs like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Fusion 360 all offer tools for creating exploded views. These programs allow users to create three-dimensional models of their designs and then automatically generate exploded views with just a few clicks. The software can even animate the explosion, showing the parts moving from their assembled to exploded positions. These digital exploded views can be easily shared electronically, printed, or embedded in other documents. This ease of creation and distribution has made exploded views more accessible than ever before, further increasing their value in various fields. Section 6. Beyond the blueprint. Exploded views in other fields. While exploded views are most commonly associated with mechanical engineering, their applications extend far beyond the realm of gears and engines. They are increasingly used in other fields where clear communication of complex assemblies is crucial. Architecture. Exploded views can be used to illustrate the construction of buildings, showing the different layers of walls, floors, and roofs. Furniture design. Exploded views are helpful for showing how furniture is assembled, making it easier for customers to put together flat-packed items. Medical devices. Exploded views are used to illustrate the assembly and function of complex medical devices, aiding in training and repair. Section 7. Conclusion. A picture worth 1,000 wrenches. In the world of design, engineering, and maintenance, clarity is paramount. Exploded view drawings provide that clarity, offering a unique perspective on complex assemblies that would be difficult, if not impossible, to convey with words alone. They are essential tools for designers, engineers, technicians, and anyone who needs to understand how things work. As technology advances and products become increasingly complex, the importance of clear and concise technical communication will only continue to grow. Exploded views, whether hand-drawn or digitally rendered, will remain invaluable tools for bridging the gap between complex ideas and clear understanding. So the next time you encounter an exploded view, take a moment to appreciate its elegance and the wealth of information it conveys. It might just save you a world of frustration and 1,000 wrenches.